Mixed metal jewelry has been a favorite amongst designers for ages, and its appeal is only growing. From bold contrast to subtle blends, this technique is more popular than ever. In fact, Pinterest and TikTok are absolutely lighting up right now with mixed metal bling. I'm Patty, a jewelry designer here at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads, and today we're going to have some fun with mixed metals. I'm going to teach you how to pair, mix, and layer them with confidence to add interest and depth to your designs.
Get our email newsletter for beading news, sale announcements, new product announcements, and more. Link is in the description below.
Metal is the foundation of jewelry, each kind bringing its own personality. Gold, silver, copper, stainless steel, and color-coded finishes are all beautiful on their own, especially with gemstones, crystals, or pearls. But add a second metal and everything instantly gets more interesting. I'm going to start with the simple silver necklace. Pretty, clean simplicity. Now let's add a pop of gold and see what that does to it. That adds a really nice richness and elegance to the necklace. Now let's try a pop of copper and see how that really warms it up. It's a really nice, clean, soft contrast. And now let's try stainless steel. This is really close to silver, so it'll be interesting to see what that does to it. And we'll let that slide on. And look at that, how that just adds a really nice contrast. It keeps the silver tone, but it gives it more depth. Want to go bigger? Try using 3 different metals in one design. Here I've started this necklace, and I'm using kind of a simple ratio of about 70%, 20%, 10%. That keeps everything cohesive. So my main metal here is silver, and then my secondary metal is gunmetal, and third is copper. So let's go ahead and string this together. I've already got most of it strung. I'm going to mirror the gunmetal and copper and silver here on the other side. So let's get stringing that. We'll grab a gunmetal. And let's grab a copper. There we go. And another gunmetal. You know, this cross metals look is all over Pinterest and TikTok because it adds depth and looks super modern. Okay, we've got our next gunmetal bead and just one silver to finish it off. People can get nervous mixing metals, but truly there are no wrong combos. Just pick a dominant metal and use the others as accents. Create balance, but there's truly not a wrong way to go. And there we have our beautiful, super modern looking mixed metals necklace. We hope today's video on mixing metals will help spark new ideas for your jewelry. If you create something using today's techniques, make sure and post and tag us. We love seeing what you create. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and sign up for our email newsletter. All the links are in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Happy designing!